She acting naughty, she want me to spank her. Acting naughty, 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 acting naughty. Over here, but he not naughty. Acting naughty, naughty.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jerzey Elise coming at you with another video. And as you can tell by the title, this is going to be a what I eat in a day. Your girl is back at work. Haven't been out for a week and some change due to COVID. So I did want to do a video today for you of what I eat in a day. So you saw the first clip. That is my breakfast, which is my coffee. And I'm going to drink that into my snack, which will probably be either some cheese crackers or some celery. And then we will have lunch. But I did just want to let you guys know what I'm going to be doing today. But first things first, if this is your first time here, welcome, hello. I'm your girl, Jerzey Elise. And if this is your first time here, welcome back. You know how we do on this channel. But I'm hoping you guys are enjoying the videos that I have put out so far, which was just, what, 1, 2, 3? I forget how many videos I put out. You know, I'm doing good, y'all. So, again, every Tuesdays and Thursday evening, I may do a bonus video now and again. But yes, you guys, so let me go ahead and get to work. But if you did enjoy the beginning of the video, make sure you guys follow me on my TikTok as well as my Instagram. But I am about to head to work, and I will see y'all at snack time. All right, y'all, so now it's 12:07. I meant to say 12:07, y'all, as y'all can see. Just got on break from work. So it's snack time. So right now I am going to have some celery, some cheese crackers, and 2 ounces of ranch to go with my celery. And then I'm definitely going to be drinking my water all day today. So this is what I'm eating for snacks. So in about 2 hours, we will see what is for lunch. So let me go ahead and eat this before I have to get back on the phone. All right, you guys, so now it's 2 o'clock. It is time to eat lunch. So we are in that 2-hour range. So lunch today is going to be a salad, as you can see. Not sure what dressing I'm going to use, but I'm definitely going to be using some of this holy guacamole on the salad. So I want to go ahead and get to eating this. The celery and crackers that really did hold me over until lunch, as well as me drinking the water. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and catch up on some YouTube, eat my lunch, as well as plan out next week's videos before I have to get back to work in an hour. But this is what we are eating for lunch, y'all. Right. And I will see y'all when it's time for snack number 2. All right, y'all, so now it is 4:03. I am getting my snack 3 minutes after my 2-hour mark. So this is what we are having for snack, a large boiled egg, celery, and some peanut butter. I do have a little Old Bay seasoning on my boiled egg. Don't come for me. It is actually really good. So I am about to eat this for my snack, and I still have my water. And then we will be eating dinner at 6 o'clock. So let me go ahead and eat this and get back on some calls, y'all. Ooh, I'm about to tear this up. All right, you guys, it is now dinner time. It is 6 o'clock on the dot. Well, now it is 6:01. All right, so this is dinner. So I do have some broccoli. I did put it in the air fryer, as well as I did make me some pasta. It's like a garlic butter pasta, as well as I did make me some chicken breasts. I put those in the oven and cooked it, as well as I probably put a little Thai style sweet chili and some sriracha over top of the chicken. But this is dinner. I can't wait to eat this, because your girl is hungry. So I'm going to eat this, and then I'm also going to show you what my last snack is going to be, since that will be at 8. So let me go ahead and show you what the last snack I will be eating for tonight. All right, you guys, so this is the last part of my what I eat in a day. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. So this is just going to be an applesauce. It's pear flavor, as well as some crackers. So I ate 6 meals today. I am still under my 2,000 calorie, not by that much, but I want to say I did really good with getting back into the groove of things. But if you did enjoy this video, make sure you go ahead and put some type of food food emoji in the comments below. And like I always say, I will see you in the next one. Bye.